thing you need in your makeup bag, I think this is like the most important, is your foundation. And there are so many affordable ones. The Beauty, very good, very good. The Flawless. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Stella Dean. So today I'm doing a step-by-step affordable makeup product for beginners. So if it's something you like to see, please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a big thumbs if you like the video. Share your thoughts in the comment section. I reply to all of them. So without ado, let's go straight. First thing first, moisturizer. I like using my body cream. This is the PS body baby lotion as my moisturizer. The time I just started doing makeup, I was like, using moisturizer, my face is already oily. They're telling me to apply more oil. No, but it's actually really good. Apply your moisturizer, let it settle in first before the next step. So if you have a very oily skin, you use matte primers. If you have a dry skin, you have moisturizing primers. If you have combination skin, that means you produce oil in certain parts of your body. As a beginner, I've said it before and I'll continue to say it, it's always good to start up with your brows. So I'm using this finishing powder to have that tinted brow effect, that if I apply foundation before I draw up my brows, I'll have. And the powder I just used is the Flawless Loose Setting Powder. That's the powder I just used to set my brow bone, to set my brows. So the products you need for your brows, you need an eye pencil. I'm using Davis number 3 eye pencil and a spoolie. The spoolie is just for you to use and comb out the brows. This eye pencil, I think it goes for 200 naira right now. In dollars, that would be like how many? It's not even up to 50 cents. Another thing you need for your brows is an angle brush and a concealer. This concealer is really affordable. This one is like, I got it like 2,000. So to carve out our upper brows, we're using our foundation, the V Beauty foundation for it. So with my wet beauty sponge, I'm going in with that same LA Girl Pro Conceal as my eyeshadow base. See, we have used it like how many things right now. Keep on watching, we'll still be using it for more things. And when we do eyeshadow base, is, you know, my eyes, I have discoloration, to hide the discoloration, to make the eyeshadow pop out more. So that's why we do eyeshadow base. And it's always easier for you to blend it in here too, so that when you're blending out later, because of the eyeshadow you already applied, it will be very difficult. So blend it down here too, that be like you've done the whole eye already. For the eyeshadow, I'm just using this palette today to create a look, so that I'll demonstrate. So for the eyeshadow, you need shadows that are, you need the mattes, the ones that are powdery. You need the shimmer. Just get a palette like this that contains this, but because there are some palettes that just have matte, some shimmer, so get a palette that contains this and contains colors like brown, close to your skin tone. This one that you could use to create many looks. You see the varieties of color. You get a palette like this that has variety and that has shimmer and matte too. I'll start with this one, with this color here. So I'll just stamp it on my outer eye area. I'm not taking it all over the place, just here. Just concentrate it here. So we are going in with this brown as our second color. And I'm stamping it here. So I'm trying to make the transition seamless. Use the remainder to come like this to cut my crease. I'm not really cutting the crease, I'm just outlining. Then I'll go in with a fluffy brush, really fluffy, and pick out this orange color as my transition color. This one, you tap out the excess, then use it and blend. Then when I use flat brush like this to apply the shimmer color. The shimmer color is always good when it's applied on this area. And this one, there's always a lot of fallout, so you have to be careful. Another thing we need in our makeup bag is a gel liner or a liquid liner. Anyone that is good for you, but as a beginner, I'll advise you go for the gel or even a pencil, where you'll be able to control it. It's more easier to control. Next step is actually optional for beginners. That was the lashes and the lash glue. You need it in your makeup bag. The lashes, like, it brings the makeup from a 10 to 100 lashes. Next thing you need in your makeup bag, I think this is like the most important, is your foundation. And there are so many affordable ones. The Beauty, very good, very good. The Flawless Perfect Skin, this one very good. This Zickel Even True, see, I've not even used it. This one, I got the first bottle, it was really good, but this one started giving me patches, like could not blend well, so I don't know. And Zaron, very good foundation too. How much is the price? I think I'll put the prices, I'll list it here when I check the prices. I forgot to show you this one, Be Charm, but this one the undertone is always off. I got like four bottles, like 4 different complexions, the undertone off, all of them. So this one is really debatable. But the darkest shade in this one, oh, that one blends perfectly. And it's really dark. So if you're a really dark person, I recommend this one. Flawless, your darkest shade is like 1 shade below mine, which is not really dark at all. Like I always say, when you're matching your foundation, it should be your neck, your chest, because you cover your face. Some people's face is lighter than their neck, some people's face is darker than their neck, but you cover the face with the foundation and your chest will show. So I'm always matching my foundation with my neck. even when you go to store to buy, they'll come to match it on your face. Tell them to match it on your neck. Another thing, the beauty sponge. I'm using this one. This one is from Zaron. Very soft, blends like a dream. I apply using a dabbing motion like this. Dab, dab, dab. Any careful concealer that we use to define our brows and as our eyeshadow base, that is the same pro conceal we're using to conceal under our eyes. And guys, not too much please. And it's always good to blend as you go. When you apply, you blend. You apply and blend. Because some concealers dry very fast. This one doesn't do so, but let me practice what I preach. See the difference between there and here, because I highlighted this part already. So I'll do same for here and my forehead. Thing I think you need is this color palette, this lip palette. You can use it as your blush. You can use it for your lips. You can use it to line your eye if you want those colorful lining. It's cheaper for you to get like this instead of you getting one. It's cheaper actually to get it like this. So I'm using this one for my blush. You know, I like using this purple, just like purple shade, my blush. Another thing you need in your eyeshadow pen, your makeup bag is a palette. You can get a smaller one. This one is big because it's for commercial purposes. You need a contour palette. Instead of you buying different shades of powder, just get one in all like this. So I'm using this shade now to bronze, this and this. I'll mix them together to contour. Contour my jawline. My nose, I'm starting out with this brush and this shade. Back to that eyeshadow palette we used before. Use that first shade to smoke out our under eye area. So that black gel liner we used before, I'll use it now to line my waterline. See where I said I prefer the gel liner more than the liquid. The same palette, I use my skin tone now. Press the damn beauty sponge on it, then set the rest of my face. Pata of them all. It's a setting spray. Guys, this process or this step can never be missed because all the powders, everything I put, this one will just melt it down. Guys, this is the final look. Everything below, should I say $100? Because see how it came out real good, right? And the lashes, I said, elevate the whole look. So guys, please share your thoughts in the comment section. How much you buy your foundation? How much you buy your primer? Give me a big thumbs if you like the video. Turn on your bell notifications so that anytime I upload, you will be the first to know. Until the next video, bye.